Well, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good day off of school today. We're looking at a pretty significant winter weather scenario for tomorrow, so I just want to take a look and walk you through what we're going to be expecting for tomorrow. So, starting off with what we're looking at today, we've got some sleet, freezing rain, and rain going on across parts of the mid South up into the Mississippi River Valley up there in Missouri. They've been dealing with some snow and sleet, and you can see that line of mixed precipitation there in the kind of orange color creeping southward, and that will continue overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures, meanwhile, across the region are in the upper 60s, and we just cracked 70 degrees here at 10:30 at Huntsville International. So it's a very unseasonably warm day for early March. So as we take a look at that forecast, let me put it up for you right now. Take a look at the forecast for today. By 12 o'clock, we'll still have mostly cloudy skies across the region, temperatures in the lower 70s. Some more showers begin to move in by 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, temperatures starting to fall into the upper 50s. Now, as we saw there just a second ago, that cold front is already across Mississippi, with Memphis already down into the mid 40s just at 10:30 this morning. So they'll continue to fall, and this evening portions of Mississippi and Tennessee will begin to transition to some of that freezing rain and sleet. So if you do happen to be doing any traveling into that region tomorrow, that's probably not advised. I would not recommend it, and traveling even here is going to be dangerous tomorrow. As we take a look at that forecast for tomorrow, speak of that, we'll start off in the lower 30s tomorrow morning. We're going to plummet tonight from about 60 degrees right at 6 o'clock down to 34 by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's going to quickly turn over to some freezing rain between 6 and 9. Tomorrow morning we'll be having that freezing rain going over to some sleet probably by 9 a.m. to noon, and by 3 o'clock the activity will be ending as a few snow flurries. Now, as far as that time, the threats go for that, I'm expecting around a quarter inch of ice for most of the region. That includes northwest Alabama and north central Alabama, so that includes the Huntsville metro. Now, I mentioned the farther north and west you go, you'll get into the higher accumulations of snow and sleet. As you head up towards Nashville, they may get more than 2 to 4 inches of snow and sleet. I'll probably get more in the 3 to 5 inch range as you head towards Memphis, and as you get up into Kentucky, they'll be dealing with a foot of snow. But as far as what we've been dealing with around here, I'm expecting a half inch to 2 inches of sleet in northwest Alabama, less than a half inch across north central Alabama, and only a dusting of sleet and a glazing of ice in northeast Alabama. But what I really want to stress with this is that pre-treating the roads is not going to work for this storm, since we've got a lot of rain coming through tonight. We can see upwards of 2 inches of rain before this finally turns over to a wintry mix. So what that means is any pre-treatment on the roads will likely wash away. We will be dealing with just a little bit of ice, creating major travel problems. So when the freezing rain begins, it may not look like there's a whole lot accumulating, but don't be fooled. Travel will be very hazardous throughout the whole day, as we saw there. Taking a look at the temperature trend again, I just want to put that back up because you notice we don't climb above freezing at any point during the day. Now, if the sun does come out later in the day, towards 3 o'clock, we may see some melting, but overall, I really don't see any melting of the freezing rain and sleet, especially if it gets packed down on the road. So it really will be a major travel problem, travel issues tomorrow. So if you do not have to travel, please do not travel. That is just a bad idea tomorrow. Save that for Friday or over the weekend. So I just want to take a look at the start times for the winter weather. We're going to be looking at the freezing line moving through northwest Alabama and portions of southern middle Tennessee between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. The Huntsville metro between 6 and 9 a.m. and 9 a.m. to noon for areas to our south and east. Now that's pretty much the rundown of what we're expecting. Thanks for watching and have a good day, and most importantly, stay safe.